Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the LG TV and grabbing the remote. This puts you in control immediately. Once done, press home and move straight to settings or all settings. This is where voice features live. Make sure you know the TV model or WebOS version because menu names can differ slightly, but you can still follow the same path. Now navigate into General or Accessibility sections. That leads directly to the voice assistant controls, so you can change them without guessing. Next, go into General and find AI Service or choose Accessibility, then Voice Recognition, depending on your model. This shows the voice assistant options. You'll see entries for LG ThinQ, Google Assistant, or Alexa. Select the one currently active. Once inside, look for Listen, Wake Word, or Voice Recognition toggles. These control when the TV is actively listening. Turn off the toggles or choose Disable to stop wake word detection and prevent the assistant from responding to voice commands. Finally, switch the assistant off and confirm any save or confirmation prompt the TV shows. This ensures the change takes effect. Make sure to restart the TV so settings apply system-wide, then test by saying the wake word. Nothing should respond. If the assistant still activates, check the remote microphone mute button and disable it, or revisit permissions in the same menu. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, back up settings and perform a soft factory reset. That clears persistent profile or firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.